सॉरी ब्रेक बोला था पर लगा कि एक्चुअली बिछड़ गए हैं. So I thought we'll start with the regular format of videos and then I can surprise you guys with the new content on the channel over the course of time. So there are a lot of upcoming films that have really intrigued and excited audiences. But like I previously told you about films that will blow audiences away in 2018, उसमें मैंने बागी 2 भी बोला था और सब तुम बोलने लगे कि अनमोल का दिमाग खराब हो गया है. Yeah. That movie made over 150 crores. Anyway, there are some collaborations that have been planned out and in my opinion will break all the records and definitely hit massive numbers. So here is Tried and Refused Productions with 5 upcoming exciting Bollywood movies that will break all box office records. Bharat. 2019 is going to see Ali Abbas Zafar, who achieved massive success with Salman Khan through Tiger Zinda Hai, collaborate again with the movie titled Bharat. What's crazy is that the female lead kept on changing for this film, but ultimately, to our surprise, we will finally see Priyanka Chopra return to the big screen after quite some time, opposite Salman Khan in the film. The cast also includes Disha Patani and Tabu and is said to be an official adaptation of the 2014 Korean film Ode to My Father, written by Soo Jin Park. To see Abbas Zafar collaborate again with Salman, Priyanka Chopra to return, as well as Tabu joining the party is definitely a recipe for success. Brahmastra. One of the most ambitious projects that will release in 2019 will be the first installment to a sci-fi fantasy and adventure trilogy called Brahmastra starring Ranbir Kapoor, Alia Bhatt, Amitabh Bachchan and even Moni Roy joining the cast. The movie will be directed by Ayan Mukherjee and will be produced by Dharma Productions. The director said that it's a modern day film set in India as it exists today. But the reason it's called Brahmastra is because the Astra, which is created by Brahma, was so powerful that once it was discharged, there was neither a counterattack nor a defense that could stop it. Indian films finally investing in sci-fi and that too even trilogies with such a talented cast is destined to be a massive hit. Love Ranjan's next film. One of the craziest and most unexpected collaborations that we are set to witness in the next year or 2020 is going to be the collaborative project of Love Ranjan and Ranbir Kapoor and Ajay Devgan. From the continued and massive success of Love Ranjan films with the Panchnama series and Sonu Ki Tittu Ki Sweetie, the director is bagging big names for his film. A full-blown comedy, especially with the Love Ranjan formula and Shraddha Kapoor rumored to join the party, this one is definitely going to be a laugh riot and a massive success. Shamsher. After working constantly on Shuddhi under Dharma Productions and ultimately the entire plan getting cancelled, rejuvenated and cancelled again, Karan Malhotra, the director of Agnipath and Brothers, is set to direct again. And this time, it is a movie of epic proportions. A movie titled Shamsher, produced by Yash Raj Films, which will star Ranbir Kapoor and Sanjay Dutt in lead roles. The movie will be an adventure action film set in the heart of the country where Kapoor plays a dacoit, and the two stellar actors are presumed to be arch nemesis in the film. Can't wait for this one. Kalank. The writer and director of Two States, Abhishek Varman, has been bestowed with the responsibility of creating a film of epic proportions next year. The film titled Kalank, produced by Sajid Nadiadwala, Dharma Productions and Foxstar Studios, is a massive task at hand. It seems to be a project that Johar and his late father Yash Johar had planned many years ago. Just listen to the cast. It includes Varun Dhawan, Aditya Roy Kapoor, Alia Bhatt, Sonakshi Sinha, Sanjay Dutt and Madhuri Dixit, who has apparently replaced the late Sri Devi who was scheduled to do the film. The movie, which is said to be a period drama, has all the ingredients to be a massive hit. Here's hoping this film reaches exponential numbers. And that was the list, guys. Write it down in the comments below if you have some video ideas for our channel. Don't worry, they're going to be regular videos now. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Follow me at JammyPants4. Also, please support us by smashing the like button and subscribing to our channel for weekly content ahead. Thank you for watching.